wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best inverted microscopes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Plugable Micro 800x2.0 offers LEDs above and below your specimen, allowing you to use transmitted or reflected light for your examinations. It draws power and transfers images from your stage through a single USB cable. It can also run on 3 AA batteries and offers wide software compatibility. However, it has only one enlargement setting. At number 9, intended for use by budding scientists, the iqcrew STEM Discovery comes with a complete kit that guides students through a number of experiments. That includes an illustrated activity booklet and a set of 25 prepared slides. It offers 3 magnifications and 2 eyepiece options, but its monocular design is a drawback. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the amscope Tissue Culture Iron 200A-M is a great choice for classroom instruction, as its 1.3 megapixel imaging sensor and USB connectivity make it easy to hook up to a computer and share your observations with a group of curious students. It includes a spare halogen bulb and is compatible with both Macs and PCs. It's equipped with a Sedan-topped binocular head. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inverted microscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Electron Microscopy Sciences BC364 offers brightly resolved views of proteins and various other specimens, thanks to a single band filter cube and 6 capable objectives. Its swing-out condenser lets you quickly switch illumination styles too. It features a 30-watt Kohler light source and minimal focal drift, but it is somewhat heavy at 60 pounds. Moving up our list to number 6, the halogen light on the Omano Biological OM900-T makes its way through a very well-engineered phase condenser before finally hitting your sample, so you can clearly make out the edges of whatever organism you wish to study. It comes with 3 achromatic objectives and a lifetime guarantee. However, it doesn't include an imaging sensor. Halfway up our list at number 5, the zeiss cell culture primovert is a great choice for labs without a lot of room to spare, as it provides you with exceptionally well-made glass from a legendary German manufacturer in a model with a pleasantly small footprint. It boasts a 4-position nosepiece, an adjustable pupillary distance, and a 7-year warranty. At number 4, the amscope Extreme MF603 comes equipped with one of the most versatile and powerful lighting systems on the market, and is capable of both bright field and phase contrast microscopy. Its software is incredibly comprehensive. It features color-corrected optics and adjustable focus tension. However, it's probably a bit too pricey for non-professional settings. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Leica Microsystems DMI-1 is manufactured by one of the most revered names in photography, and the quality of its optics are the result of decades worth of research and development. It's surprisingly easy to use and requires little to no maintenance. It includes a built-in MC170 digital camera and automatic light intensity. It suffers from no distortion due to heat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inverted microscopes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you work with specimens that are a little on the messy side, you'll appreciate that the stage on the amscope trinocular metallurgical ME1200T is stain resistant. Its glass elements are fully coated for better light transmission. It comes with a dust cover, a 33mm focusing range, and LED illumination. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the most impressive component of the amscope super widefield metallurgical is its imaging sensor, which boasts an incredible 10.7 megapixel resolution that results in sharp and detailed pictures of whatever you want to examine with one of its 5 objectives. It offers a polarized illumination option, a removable stage plate, and 3 color filters. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for inverted microscopes, or simply click beneath this video.